Hello, this is Oğuzhanoğlu and this is our exercise for week 3. And this is week 3 exercise 1 actually. And we start with the most important thing, which is to save the file successfully on the desktop. Okay, click desktop and write your name, surname, and save it. First, go to A4 and type total items in stock. Here we will calculate the total items, total number of items, average price, median price. Median is another statistical calculation like average. We will calculate all of these values. Okay, first come to B4, go to formulas, auto sum, sum. I like to sum starting from A11 down to A65. Enter. It is summed up. Then go to B5 and use the average here. You can access the average also from here. I like to get the average of D11 down to D65. Enter. Median. Median is another way of calculating and getting an idea about the price. In this statistical measurement, all prices are listed from the smallest up to the largest, and the one at the middle is taken as median. For example, if there are 5 numbers like 5, 10, 20, 100 and 1000, they are all sorted from the smallest to the largest. The one at the middle, in this case 20, is considered median. Okay, how to calculate the median? Go to more functions, statistical, and find median, and in this range, and enter. We continue with another step, and we also like to calculate highest price as well as lowest price. Here we go more functions, statistical, and we find maximum. In this case, maximum among what? Among, again, the same range. Enter. And minimum, we can write this by hand as well, like this, but here don't forget to choose the range again from here. Enter. Or you can use minimum from here. These are the prices, but they are in dollars actually, so I choose this one. I go to home, and here I need to choose dollars. Make it center aligned. I come to copy this one, so right click, choose the area here, copy, and then paste it to D4. Okay, like this. As you see, cut this instead of copying. Cut this and paste to here. As you see, the numbers here are not shown because the column here is too short. We come and click between D and E, and we come and click between E and F to enlarge the columns. Here you can pretty quickly change the cell styles if it is needed. You can change the cell styles, but now I need an additional heading here, like flavor statistics. After writing this to C6, I choose the 5 cells here and I click merge cell and I change the rotation. This way I edit it and I can easily make more changes on it, like changing the font size, bold, italic, font color. You can change this and make it right aligned as you wish, as it is given to you in the exercise. Now I need an additional space of 3 rows, so choose 3 rows, 9, 10, 11, and go insert sheet rows from here. By the way, I realized that there is still formatting here. I need to remove this formatting, so again choose 9, 10, 11, from clear, click clear format. Now go to A10 and write seasoning types. I like to know how many products with seasoning are there. So I like to use count if formula. Click on B10, go to formula, and it should be under statistical again. Find count if. Okay, what is the range? The range starts from G14 and goes down to G68, and my criteria is seasoning. Okay, there are 20 left, make it left align. There are 20 seasoning criteria. I know this. Count if counts the number of cells with the given condition. In this case, we are looking for seasoning category. So if I delete one of the seasonings here, the number here is automatically updated. Now I need another column like called stock level. Okay, write stock level to here. I like to put a condition here, so I go to formulas and under logical I find if the quantity in stock is less than 125, write order, otherwise write OK. This way I will look at which stock, which quantity, which product in the stock needs to be ordered. So double click to the black small plus sign, then all of them are filled. Now I need to get a better idea of which products needs to be ordered, so I choose this range and I go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell, rules, text that contains order should have a special format, custom format, and this custom format is bold, italic, and red. Now they are clearly identifiable. I choose quantity in stock. This is very important and generally hard to do. for students, for novice students. Go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, data bars, and choose the data bars that you like the orange data bar. So according to the numbers here, the bars are put. Now I like to change the paper envelopes here. So first choose the range, then go to find and select and choose replace. I like to replace all paper envelopes with foil packets. Instead of doing them one by one, by clicking replace all of them, the 19 replacements are done very fast. I go to A70 and I write CE100 computing skills, and I like to put time information to A71. So I go to formulas, under date and time I find now, enter, puts the current time. I like to analyze this data, but there's one thing difficult for me. I can't see this row when I go to the lower products. To be able to see this row, I click on row 14 and go to view and freeze panes, and I choose freeze panes. Now when I go down, the upper portion remains fixed. Okay, it is easy for me to analyze the data with this freezing. Now after my analysis, I choose unfreeze panes. I like to create an Excel table out of the range here. So I just click on one of the cells in the table. Then I go to insert table. Yes, my table has headers. Yes, this range is correct. Okay. The range has been converted to table automatically. Now I like to change the style and make it like this. And with this style, I like to analyze the table. So first I like to learn how many extract like this types are there. Instead of counting them one by one, I choose category, I uncheck select all, and I choose extract. Okay, so I see that only 8 products exist with extract category. But what is the quantity in stock? For this one, I open total row from design and I change the total here to sum. I see that there is 2,190 products in items in the stock. So I click here and I say extract types and I write eight out of 2,190 total items in stock. I noted it down so that I can remember. So left align the content if you like. Okay, now go to category and clear this category because I am done with this category. And don't forget to sort the products from largest to smallest. Now that I am done with this table, I can convert this table again back to range. So go to design and click convert to range. Yes. If you like, you can delete this total row because I will not use it again. Now select row 13 like this and change their orientation from here. Make it angle counterclockwise to fit this column H. Double click to the separator between H and I, so auto fit is done. We are coming to the end very fast, so choose this range and change the cell styles to heading 4, and also do some adjustments like delete sheet 2 like this, delete sheet 3, we are not using them, and go to page layout, change the margins from custom margins and make them horizontally and vertically aligned. These settings are for taking printouts. Okay. Change the orientation, landscape. When you do this, you will realize that there is nothing changed on Excel. However, in the print table, as we will see in the print tab, we will see the change. So print titles, I like to see this row 13 in every page, so click rows to repeat at top and choose row 13. Okay, now it is time to go to file and print. As you see, this portion is not in the screen, so to make it fit, choose fit all columns on one page. Okay, now navigate between the pages and see that they are center aligned horizontally, vertically, and in each page I can see this color row 13, and this is my printout. Go back to file and change the name of sheet 1 to inventory, and finally don't forget to click save. Thank you for listening to this video and have a nice day.